Good morning, Mr. Jones. How are you feeling today?
Well, nurse, I'm feeling absolutely fine. I think I'm very lucky that I was admitted in this hospital by my parents. Otherwise, I was feeling very nervous. But right now, I feel much more energetic.
Well, you have made my day, and it is wonderful to hear such a big thing from you. And we are very pleased and we feel very proud that you have healed so early.
Well, nurse, it had to be. You worked so hard on me, and I really appreciate the efforts of this hospital.
Well, it is not totally our efforts. It also depends totally on the patient cooperation, and you have cooperated very well with us.
Oh, well, nurse, really thank you so much for this compliment. I really appreciate.
But I need further cooperation from you. As you know that you have healed a lot, so I would like to make you ambulate now. And I would like you to look after yourself now and maintain your personal hygiene as well.
Well, nurse, yes, of course, I will do everything whatever you say, and of course, I am trying to maintain my personal hygiene as much as possible.
But this is a certain extent which should be now increased, and you should be taking efforts to go yourself to the washroom and have a bath.
Oh, well, nurse, this bathing, I really hate having a bath. That's why I did not go in the morning, and I just don't feel like right now. I just want to relax in the hospital because I have recovered well, so I wanted some relaxation.
But Mr. Jones, if you would not take these efforts, then it can prolong your staying in the hospital.
Well, nurse, no, I don't really think so.
Well, let me tell you some of the benefits of taking bath and maintaining personal hygiene.
Well, nurse, could I ask you a thing before you tell me the benefits of bathing?
Yes, of course.
Don't you think that my psychological healing is very important because I have been so much of stress for the past few days. So now what I want to spend some time with myself so that I can relax. Because showering, if it is all about showering, I can do it at home. I'm getting discharged after 3 days, as per the doctor. So I don't think so. I should have a shower now. Maybe after 3 days, when at home I would have nothing to do. Maybe I can take the shower then.
Well, let me tell you, just limiting to the psychological satisfaction is not enough for the process of wound healing.
Okay.
Besides that, additionally, you have to supplement it with a good exercise because it will promote good circulation in the blood vessels and that will lead to good healing of the wound.
Oh well, it's again.
Subsequently, good hygiene is also important because if you will not take care of your hygiene, you will not take daily bath, then the area surrounding the wound will not get good and fresh enough of oxygen and good circulation, and that will prolong your stay in the hospital as well as you will be staying here more than 3 days or so.
All right, nurse, if you say so, but I just want you to relax and exercise. I seriously hate exercise. You can see me how obese I am. I really don't like exercises, and on the top of it, having shower is another hard duty for me. So what I can do, I assure you that I will take shower, but I will take that after 2 hours. Is that fine?
Yes, of course, it is fine.
Well,
If you
that's very nice of you, nurse.
uh, that is also good on your part that you have agreed, but I would like to make you understand that exercise is also vital for your health
Oh well,
because you can do one thing. I have a great idea for you. You
okay,
can start with exercise for 5 minutes, then
okay.
slowly and gradually you can increase by other days, like on the second day you can increase it to 8 minutes and then so on.
Okay, nurse, if that is the case, then I would say, all right, I will go for
Yeah,
some few minutes
surely.
exercise.
Yeah, surely you will develop a liking for the exercise and you will surely get good and you will recover soon.
All right, nurse. Well, really, thank you so much for giving me the information and to tell me about that I need to have this shower, and I will definitely take that after 2 hours. And is there anything that I need to know apart from this?
No, I don't think, but I will make a schedule and will let you know for your activity and rest plans intermittently and how we will manage all this so
Well,
that you
nurse,
get well
I am
soon.
also concerned. How about the dressing? Don't you think this dressing will get wet if I will take the shower?
No, no, Mr. Jones, you don't have to worry. We have dressings in our hospital and those are transparent and plus they will be protecting your wound
All
from
right.
getting wet.
All right then. Thank you very much, nurse. I am really satisfied with your answer, and thank you very much, nurse.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. Looking ahead for the plan.
Sure, nurse. Thank you. Mistakes कुछ है ही नहीं यार Julie. You speak so nicely. You have made my day. That was a little exaggerated from my side, but being a patient, maybe I can. So
वो नहीं बोलना चाहिए
हाँ.
ना, उसकी जगह क्या बोलना चाहिए?
कुछ नहीं. Well, that's very nice, and thank you for the
That's very
compliment.
positive और
हाँ.
optimistic response.
नहीं कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है. नहीं
ऐसे
optimistic.
पेशेंट बोलेगा ही नहीं.
पेशेंट अगर कह सकता है कि नर्स बिकॉज ऑफ योर ट्रेनिंग एवरीथिंग वेंट फाइन, पेशेंट कुछ भी बोल सकता है बिकॉज एग्जामिनेशन इज योर्स, देन you should say कि well thank you very much for the compliment, well we are looking ahead to provide you more services and we need cooperation in one more thing. वो कहेगा of course nurse, well of course I can do anything. जब वो इतना satisfied होगा तो वो I just want you to take the shower which
अगर
is
उसने
very.
बोला मैं तो पहले ही तुमसे दुखी हूँ, मैं
अगर
नहीं
वो
बोल
कहे
रहा।
oh, how are you, well nurse I am all right, okay I'm very sick and tired of this hospital, well could you please tell me what is that thing that is bothering you. तो वो कहेगा this is the thing that you are saying me again and again to
फिर
take
apologize,
take
ये
a shower.
process
नहीं not apologize, नहीं to take shower again and again. Why? तो इसमें तो गलत थोड़ी तो apologize करेगा कि shower क्यों लेना है. तो कहेगा well John it is all for your benefits because shower is mandatory so as to avoid any kind of infection because the area around that wound can get reinfected and also it will help you for the better circulation if you will maintain the proper hygiene है ना, and do the exercise will help you in the circulation of blood. तो वो है, it depends on the situation.